Hi, this is Grishma from CSCA section from Shankar Institute of Technology. Today my tech talk topic is SQL commands. SQL commands are instructions. It is used to communicate with the database. It is also used to perform specific tasks, functions, and queries of data. SQL can perform various tasks like create a table, add data to tables, drop the table, modify the table, set permissions for users. Types of SQL commands. SQL commands are 5 types. DDL commands, DML commands, DCL commands, TCL commands, and DQL commands. SQL commands are divided into 5 types: DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DQL. In DDL command, there are four types of functions are there: create, drop, alter, and truncate. In DML, there are 3 types of commands: insert and update and delete. In DCL commands, there are 2 types of commands are there: in grant and revoke. In TCL, there are 3 types: commit, rollback, and save point. In DQL, there is only one command is there, that is a select command. In DDL changes the structures of the table, like creating a table and deleting a table and altering a table, etc. All the command of DDL are auto committed. That means it permanently saves all the changes in the database. Here are some commands that come under DDL. That commands are create, alter, drop, and truncate. First one is create. It is used to create a new table in the database. And syntax is create table and table name and column name data. For example, create table employee name varchar 2 and 20, etc. Second one is drop. It is used to delete both the structure and record stored in the table. Syntax is drop table and table name. For example, drop table and employee. Third one is alter. It is used to alter the structures of the database. This change could be either to modify the characteristics of an existing attributes or probably to add a new attribute. Syntax is to add a new column in the table. Alter table and table name, add column name, column definition. To modify the existing column in the table, alter table name, modify column definition. For example, alter table student details, add bracket address varchar. Alter table student details, modify bracket name varchar. D. Truncate. It is used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space containing the table. Syntax is truncate table and table name. For example, truncate table employee. Data manipulation language is the second one. DBL commands are used to modify the database. It is responsible for all form of changes in the database. The command of DML is not auto-committed. That means it cannot permanently save all the changes in the database. They can be rolled back. Here are some commands that come under DML. They are insert, update, and delete. First one is insert. The insert statement is a SQL query. It is used to insert data into the rows of a table. Syntax for the insert is insert into table name. Column 1, column 2, column 3, etc. column n. So values bracket value 1, value 2, value 3, etc. and value n are insert into table name. Values value 1, value 2, value 3, etc. value n. For example, insert into Java point bracket author comma subject bracket values into students. Second one is update. So this command is used to update or modify the values of column in the table. For syntax for the update is update table name set bracket column name 1 equal to value 1, value 2, etc. value n. For example, update students, set username equal to Sonu, where student ID is, for example, 3. In third one is delete. It is used to remove one or more row from a table. Syntax for delete is delete from table name where condition. For example, delete from Java point where author equal to Sunu. So third one is data control language. DCL commands are used to grant and to take back authority from any database user. Here are some commands that come under the DCL, that are grant and revoke. Grant is it is used to give user access privileges to the database. For example, grant select update on my table to the some user. Second one is revoke. It is used to take back permissions from the users. For example, revoke select update on my table from user. Fourth one is transaction control language TCL. TCL commands can only use with DML commands like insert, delete and update only. So these operations are automatically committed in the database. That's why they cannot be used while creating tables or dropping them. Here are some commands that come under TCL, that are commit, rollback and save point. First one is commit. Commit command is used to save all the transactions in the database. Syntax for the commit is commit. So for example, delete from customers where age equal to 25 and commit. Second one is rollback. Rollback command is used to undo transactions that have not already been saved to the database. Syntax is rollback. For example, delete from customers where age equal to 25, rollback. Third one is save point. It is used to roll the transactions back to certain point without rolling back into the entire transactions. Syntax is save point name. Fifth one is data query language. So DQL is used to fetch the data from the database. It uses only one command, that is select command. So a select, this is the same as the projection operation of relational algebra. It is used to select the attributes based on the condition described by where clause. Thank you.